start again. It's a rich thing.
So guys, so I'm here today and I got my visors and my sunroof visor back from the paint shop, so I'm very happy. So part in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install these. Right now I'm just going to put this up to the car and see how I like it, but it's too many people, so I don't know if I'm going to record or not. We'll see. Alright, here it is. Go ahead and try to get these clips on. I have no idea how it works, so I'll figure it out right now. Okay, so I got mine loose. You can actually pull this down, and you want to get the clip under the little frame. It barely grabs it, and then we could work our way with these ones next. So I kind of got that one started to play with. I'm gonna go ahead and start tightening this one up just a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and start these other ones. I guess there's no double-sided tape, it's just clips. Got it, not too bad. This kind of crinkled a little bit on this side. I tightened it a little bit tighter, so this one kind of chipped, unfortunately, but it's whatever. I guess I could get the touch-up paint just right there, but I think it looks good. I personally like it. I like it color match, honestly. Before I didn't like it, but now I like it. Looks very good. Very, very nice. Next, we're going to try to see about putting the side visors on. But I ordered another one of these. We're going to try to cut it and put it here. So I'm waiting for that to come in before we continue this video. Alright guys, I got the double-sided tape and the hardware on. This is such a pain in the ass to take the old one off, I swear. I'm impatient, so I'm probably just going to put on the front ones, because the rear ones, I'll show you what I'm waiting for to come in. But yeah, let me go ahead and put the front ones on, and it's very easy. I just take the tape off and then roll your window down, put the clips on, and align it. Very simple, but let's go ahead and move to the car. First window visor is on. The reason I'm not putting this one on is because I ordered more of this stuff right here. The carbon fiber pillar. And I'm trying to see if I could cut it to this to cover up all this ugliness. So that's what I'm waiting on before I put this piece on. But yeah, it's on. It looks good. Matches the sunroof visor. Very nice. Go ahead and continue and stay tuned. Since I'm waiting on a few parts, I'm gonna go ahead and actually install these new clamps I got. They come with these screws where you can actually add on additional wires like these, so that way I don't have to run like it all kind of weird. So very easy install. Let's go ahead and actually do this, and yeah. Alright, it's on. It don't look the prettiest, but this is how it works. This is right here, it goes on, and I think it's like this. Actually, I gotta tighten it a little bit more. Just like that, and it works. And if I want to take it off real quick, just unflip it, be able to pull this off. That way, nothing could drain my battery, because I'm gonna have all these electrical on there. So waiting for my carbon fiber trim pieces from H2O. Alright guys, I went ahead and ordered more of the pillar pieces, and I made a template right here. I go right here. I actually already cut this one out a little bit, so let's see how this fits. Not too bad. Maybe I'll trim it a little bit more, and the top will get covered by the other piece, but it looks pretty good. Go ahead and I think I'm trying to see. That's be the best we're gonna get it, honestly. There it is. And I'm gonna try to put the other one, the visor on, and see how good it covers up now. Alright, if I put this on to where it needs to be, it looks like it's gonna be showing a little bit right there, which I could just fill in real quick, but yeah, not too bad. I put this one wrong, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap this out now. Alright, there it is. Carbon fiber peeler. I think it looks pretty good, even with this little gap. I'll see if I want to fill it up. It looks so good now, and I finally got this piece on. It looks so much better. Go ahead and try to finish up the other side now. Alright guys, I'm completely done. This one I might try to trim off just a little bit right here, but other than that it looks pretty good. But yeah, everything's fully on finally. Looks very good. I'm going to a Winnie Fest show, so I don't know how long this video is. But yep, stay tuned. We're still working on a few more things. Waiting for a bunch of parts still for this car. Big plan, 6-speed should be working on it. Just got Chris's car running, so we could probably pull up my 6-speed now and start working on that slowly. The video here after I wash it, now we get some cool cinematics of everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it, vacuum it.
Alright, go. Keep going. Up. Air down a little bit more. Just a little bit. There we go.
I feel like I'm like on the ramp.
Keep going. So now raise up your, I think you're good off of the front, but raise your backs up a little bit. There we go. Ouchie! Come on. Alright, you're clear.
Alright, shout out to my sponsor, H2O Creations. Let's take a look at what we got here. The first of many pieces. Whoa. Ooh. Carbon fiber cowl. See how it looks when it's on, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. What? Huh. All those holes are hella harder to fit in.
Why does it look like...
It's right there. He said he'll send me more if they want it better.
What is that for?
It's the cowl. Dude, I think it's cool though.
The what?
The cow?
It goes right there by the window.
Oh.
Dang, wow. Put it on later.
You go ahead and install these carbon fiber trims. Carbon fiber cowls, actually. I don't think I need too much, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install these bad boys. Looks so good. Right now I'm rocking the color match. I'm gonna swap those out. I'm missing all my covers, so it's pretty easy. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this black trim right here. And we actually gotta remove the window wipers. I forgot. Let's go ahead and do that. There's really no video on how to do this. what I did with the cowl was I shifted that way and it kind of got loose, and then you shifted back the other way to get the clips off. So that's what I did and got it off. Alright guys, I got this in. Looks pretty good. Right here I'm just missing the clip, that's why it's not down all the way. But I'll go ahead and put the window wipers back on.